GPL उत्सव हाजे फर्स्ट क्रिकेट मॅच होता जावच्या रस देखोरनो फूड कोर्टान तू तुमगेले जेवण पुरो जावन असले रे येऊन येऊंगा क्रिकेट प्लेयर्सांक काही सपोर्ट करका म्हणून आम्ही निमगून घेत असाची क्रिकेट एन्जॉय करायची दनपार नंतर बोटिंग आणि विंगड विंगड झोन से आरंभ जावच्या रस
The 12th man of Volalanke Fighters, Mulki, is requested to come to the commentator's box.
ಹಲೋ ಚೇಕ್ ತಶಿಚಿ LED ಮೆಲ್ವಿನ್ ಎಲ್ಲಿದ್ರು ವೇದಿಕೆ ಬಳಿ ಬರಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಕೇಳ್ಕೊಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೇವೆ ದೇವರಾಜ್ ಸೌಂಡ್ಸ್ ದೇವರಾಜ್ ಅವರು ಕೂಡ ವೇದಿಕೆ ಬಳಿ ಬರಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಕೇಳ್ಕೊಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೇವೆ
Volalanke Fighters, Mulki, please send your 12th man to the commentator's box. Can we have the bowler's name, please? So hello and welcome to this Sahyadri College ground. Good afternoon, everybody. This is Suresh Bas speaking in the microphone. Welcome all of this Sahyadri College Stadium here at Mangalore. This is the Puzzalona GPL Trophy 2021 limited overs tennis ball floodlight cricket tournament. First match is going on here between Volalanke Fighters Mulki versus Malshi GSB Urva. Here is the first delivery of the first over. That's a very fine delivery which beats the batsman. The ball went straight to the hands of the wicketkeeper, so no possibility of any run there. The ball pitching onto the off stump and batsman not getting the line of the ball. On that occasion, wicketkeeper collects the ball neatly, so no chance of getting a score over there. So the first ball is a dotted delivery. The meantime, we watch Anant with a long run up from the Sahyadri College end. He's ready to bowl the second delivery of the first over now in the right arm round the wicket fashion. His clean ball, that is the beauty of the bowling. Fantastic, perfect delivery. That ball keeping very, very low, surprising the batsman. The batsman doesn't know much about delivery. He doesn't have any clue about that ball. Misses it completely and uprooting the off stump of the batsman. So first wicket goes down for Malshi GSB Urva. A big blow for their team. And they are in trouble now. Prasad Bhatt is the man. They're moving back to the pavilion without making any score. He has gone for duck. So that's a frustration for Malsi GSB Urva. In the very first over, they have lost the backbone of their team. Prasad Bhatt departs. Very successful bowler. Anant picked up that important wicket in the very first delivery of the, second delivery of the innings. This is the Puzzalona GPL Trophy 2021 limited 7 overs tennis ball floodlight cricket tournament is being conducted by Kodial Sports Association of Mangalore. For the 5th time, they are conducting this GPL tournament here at Sahyadri College ground. 12 different teams are participating in this particular tournament, and the winners of this tournament will fetch a cash prize with an attractive trophy. And at the same time, the runners-up team will also get cash prize along with the runner-up trophy. And not only this, along with this, there will be some individual prizes like best batsman, best bowler, man of the series, and man of the match. The meantime, watch the bowler, Anant, for the 3rd time it's over. Right arm wicket passes the umpire, gently pushing the ball to the offside region, towards the gully region, and he picks up a single before the fielder at gully region picks up the ball. There is ample time for both these two batsmen to go for an easy single. So with that single, the newcomer Srinivas is off the mark straight away. He opened his account. And Anantesh will take the strike now. So Anantesh, the skipper of Malshi GSB Urva, is taking guard from umpire. The 2 umpires officiating for this match are Atmaram and Rajaratna. Atmaram is the main umpire there, and Rajaratna is standing at the squalic region as a squalic umpire here. Bowler continues from the college end. Pulled away nicely onto the onside. There is a fielder runs across and collects the ball, but he cannot prevent the batsman from picking up a comfortable single. So with that single, the scorecard of Malshi GSB Urva slowly moves on to 2, and we are in the first over of the innings. They have lost the vital wicket of Prasad Bhatt, who has gone for duck, and now the 2 batsmen in the middle are Anantesh and Srinivas. These 2 batsmen have to play with cool mind. Meanwhile, the ball was down the leg side and wide delivery Wide signal from the umpire. Another run has been added to the total in the form of extra run. That should be a wide, no doubtable delivery because the ball was clearly going down the leg side and umpire Atmaram has no hesitation in stretching his arms, turning around and giving a wide signal here. We come back to the bowler, Anant, from the college end, in the right arm over the wicket fashion. Bowls this one. Played that shot to the silly mid-on region and he picks up a single here. These two batsmen have to play with cool mind because they have lost their vital wicket early in the innings. They can't afford to lose any more wickets. They must keep their wicket intact now. This match will be played of 7 overs match. This is the first inauguration match of the tournament between Volalanke Fighters Mulki, a new team, one of the hot favorite team of this tournament. This time slower delivery, but the ball was going far away from the off stump and meanwhile, wide has been signaled from umpire Atmaram. Another run has been added to the total in the form of extra run. With that extra, the scorecard of Malshe GSB Urva slowly moves on to 5 with 1 wicket down. Over number 1 is in progress. Once again, the ball is in the hands of the bowler Anant, and he's back to his bowling mark now on his way to the right-handed batsman. Chipped up in the air, but no damage done, no addition to the total. Good over from Anant. That is the end of the over number 1. Conceded only 5 runs in that first over, and he picked up 1 important wicket also. He has bowled comprehensively well so far. A huge discussion is going on there between the players of Volalanke Fighters. Mulki, a good start for their team. They were able to pick up the first wicket in the first over of the innings. So change the bowling position here. I think Kaushik is going to bowl the second over of the innings. He will be bowling from the far range, that is from Netravati River range. So we have got 2 ends here. At the far end, river end is called as Pudalana end, and the college end is known as Abarana end. So very cool atmosphere here today at Sahyadri College ground. Crowd is yet to come. We can see some colorful banners all around the ground. We are thankful to those who have supported us in giving these kinds of banners. We are also thankful to our donors who made this tournament a grand success. We hope your cooperation will continue throughout the tournament and throughout the future also. Srinivas is on strike. He's ready to face Kaushik now. Pulled away nicely on the onside. Ball is in the air. It could be out of the fielder. Is underneath it. And he's out. That was a short of leg delivery. He goes for a big one, but didn't get the line of the ball properly. Not from the middle of the bat. Not a fully controlled stroke. He played that shot with the loose hands. He has lost Anantesh is batting on 2. Lot of responsibility on Anantesh and Atul now. That's a very fine delivery. Ball wraps onto the pad. Ball hitting the legs of the batsman Anantesh. He wanted to pull the ball onto the onside, but the ball is not really coming onto the bat because Kaushik is bowling with such a good line and length, bowling perfectly straight to the wicket in the right spot, and he has to maintain the same line and length throughout his kocha now. As the next delivery from Kaushik for the 5th time in this over. From the Puzalana end. Balls this one to the right-handed batsman Anantesh. Again, well-flighted delivery, an uneven bounce there. Wanted to pull the ball onto the mid-wicket region, but the ball, a bat came bit late. The pace of the ball deceives the batsman, and there is no runs taken, no addition to the total score. Still remains on 7, and over number 2 is in progress. Once again, the ball is in the hands of the bowler Kaushik, and he's ready to bowl the last delivery of the second over now. Kaushik from the far end, that is from Puzalana end, with a short runner, bounce this one to Anantesh. Goes for a big one, ball is in the air, it could be out, it could be 6, that's a mighty 6. That is the shot of the day. Down the mid-camp, picked it up very nicely and hits it over the mid-wicket fence for a huge 6. So that was the first sixer of this GPL Trophy 2021 from the bat of Anantesh that went like a tracer bullet. So end of the over number 2 after the completion of 2 overs. It is 13 with 2 wickets down. They're having a run rate of exactly 6.5 per over. Now they have to accelerate their score. Field will be spread out now. Let us see how many more runs they will be able to score in the remaining 5 overs. So change in the bowling position here. Deepak has been introduced here for the first time, a right-arm medium-pace bowler who is going to operate his over from the Abharana end. For Atul, 5 men on the onside and 4 on the offside, a long on, a long off, a mid on, a mid off, extra cover, cover point, short third man, fine leg. Here is the first delivery. Steers it down to third man region, angling the face of the bat. He just realized that there is no slips, cuts it off.
एक मिनिट सुरेश भटमाम हंगा पार्किंग तुमका ऑलरेडी व्यवस्थित केलेलं आसा त्या सोण हांगा रोडार कोणाल पुरे टू व्हीलर कार रब्बेला इमिडिएटली काडका ना म्हणजे ते टो जाता आसा कोणाल पुरे रोडार गाडस की इमिडिएटली काडका म्हणून निघून घेतारस.
So Kodia Sports Association of Mangalore are organizing this wonderful cricket tournament here at Sahyadri College ground for GSB Samaja Bandhavas. This is the 5th season of this tournament. We'll have to wait and see which team is going to become the champions of this tournament to lift this attractive Puzalana GPL Trophy 2021. Goes for a switch hit here. He finds the gap. One bounce over the boundary rope for 4 runs. No chance for any fielders to stop that ball. Treated the ball on merits. No risk taken. No need of running for that because the timing is good and the placement is perfect. Excellent cricketing shot from Anantesh. So first boundary of the tournament from Anantesh. He's looking very dangerous now. He's in an aggressive mode, wraps onto the pad. Ball keeping very, very low, hitting the legs of Anantesh. Leg bye has been signaled here. One more run will be added to the total of Malshe GSB Urva in the form of extra run. And with that, their total now moves on to 19. Over number 3 is in progress. We come back to the bowler, Deepak. So change in the field placement for Atul here. Atul is a pinch hitter of their side. He can hit the ball. He can smash the ball all around the ground. A technically sound batsman, very experienced player. This time forward defensive stroke there, that ball pitching right in the block hole and the batsman put it defensively forward, giving full respect to that delivery, not for runs. He played almost a test cricket forward defensive stroke there and the ball went straight to the bowler's hand. Good piece of fielding of his own bowling, followed through and picks up the ball, so no runs taken, no addition to the total. There could be chance of run out. He has to be Harry here. Good piece of fielding, but the throw was not quite good enough. Wideish throw and wicketkeeper Sharad Prabhu was not able to gather the throw properly. Meanwhile, the batsman survives. That was a very risky run, and I don't think these kinds of runs are not at all necessary for the team at this stage of the game because they have lost 2 wickets early in their innings. So they should play with cool mind. What they should do is just work the balls into the gap, pick up single to keep the scoreboard moving, and keep rotate the strike. That's what they need to do now. Meanwhile, 1 more run is added to the total. With the help of that single, the scorecard of Malshi GSB Urva slowly moves on to 20. So end of the over number 3. After 3 overs, it is 20 runs on the scoreboard for Malshi GSB Urva. This is the first match of the tournament between Volalanke Fighters Mulki and Malshi GSB Urva. Both these two teams are participating for the first time in this GPL tournament. Sharad Prabhu is leading from the front for Volalanke Fighters Mulki. He is the skipper of the team. He had taken the man of the match award in the last season. He used to play for KBC Karkala, and in the last season he played for Mumbai Paltans, and he was awarded with the man of the series award, an attractive 2-wheeler Gixxer bike. Now Sharad has been brought back into attack. He's going to bowl from the Puzalana end. A young man having lot of future. Sharad Prabhu, Bully is his nickname. He is the skipper of Volalanke Fighters Mulki. So Ganesh Malya is the owner of the team, and co-owners are Preetham Hegde, Harish Chennai, and Ramanath Pai SVT. A new team with young players. Let us see what is going to happen now. This match is going to be a very interesting match because both these two teams are very, very favorite teams. So this is going to be an exciting match now. And I think it has a real close finish. As far as Malshi GSB Urva is concerned, they are also representing this GPL tournament for the first time. A new team from Mangalore. Loud appeal there, loud appeal, and is given him out. Umpire Rajaratna has no hesitation in raising his finger here. 3rd wicket goes down for Malshi GSB Urva. Atul Chennai departs. So it is 20 for the loss of 3 wickets now. So after this match, yet another interesting match will be played between Mangaluru Indians versus Kodiyal Super Kings. Meanwhile, over number 4 is in progress. Sharad Prabhu is the successful bowler. He struck here, picked up that important wicket of Atul. Let us see what strategy he will adopt now. So he has to maintain the same line and length throughout his spell now. We come back to Sharad for the second time. It's over with a short run up. Pulled away nicely on the onside. Ball is in the air, and is out. Straight into the throat of fielder at mid-wicket region. The fielder at mid-wicket kept his eyes on the ball. Very good presence of mind. It's not an easy catch because especially when you are looking at hot sun, it is very difficult to judge these kinds of catches. But finally, the fielder has converted that into an amazing catch. He kept his eyes on the ball and grabbed that catch. Malshi GSB Urva, they are losing wickets in the regular intervals here. Wickets are falling like pack of cards. It just reminds me the bicycle stand. 1 wicket, 1 bicycle falls, and rest all will fall together. So same thing is happening here. They are losing wickets in the regular intervals, one after another. Score still remains on 20, and we are in the 4th over of the innings. Sharat Prabhu is bowling with very good line and length, picked up 2 wickets, consecutive 2 wickets, and he is on hat-trick now. Let us see whether he will be able to take the hat-trick wicket or not. So here is a chance for Sharat Prabhu to pick up the hat-trick wicket. So let us see what is going to happen now. This is going to be very interesting now. Down the leg side, that should be a wide. Yes, it is. The ball was going down the leg side. No argument at all from the bowler because he knows the situation. In the limited overs matches, the umpires are very strict. Anything down the leg side is called a wide delivery. So one more extra run has been added to the total here. Once again, we come back to Sharat Prabhu. Boss this one. Pulled away nicely onto the onside. There is a fielder at fine leg region. The fielder runs across and stops the ball, but he cannot prevent the batsman from picking up a comfortable single here. So Sharat Prabhu has given only 2 runs in this over so far and picked up 2 wickets. 2 more balls to go of this over now. Let us see what strategy he will adopt now. 22 runs on the scoreboard for Malshi GSB Urva in the 4th over of the innings. So for the 4th time now, change in the field placement is going on here. Left-hander is on strike. Ashwath is the newcomer, taking guard from umpire and ready to face Sharat now. Sharat will be coming round the wicket to the left-hander. Straight down the ground he played. Elegantly played to the offside region. And he picks up a single. With that single, Ashwath is straight away off the mark. He opened his account. Once again, the ball is in the hands of the bowler, Sharat Prabhu. And last ball to go of this over now. Sharat for the last time in this over from the far range. That's a very fine delivery. Clever and intelligent bowling there by Sharat. Pitching outside the off stump, and batsman doesn't know much about delivery. He doesn't have any clue about that ball. So last ball to go of this over now. We come back to bowler. Sharat for the last time in this over from the Fuzalana and bows this one to the right-handed batsman. Ball is in the air. It could be out. It could be out. And simple lollipop catch to the fielder. Good piece of catch by Sharat Prabhu. Caught it beautifully. And he was able to pick up 3 wickets in this particular over. What a great bowling performance from the skipper, Sharat Prabhu. So Malshi GSB Urva have lost another wicket here at the score of 23 runs. So 4 overs have been bowled so far. 23 runs on the scoreboard for Malshi GSB Urva. So change in the bowling position here. Let us see how many more runs they will be able to score in the remaining 3 overs. So 18 balls remaining. Let us see how many more runs they will be able to score. Change in the bowling position here, and meantime change in the commentary position also. For further commentary, I would like to call Gopi to continue in our national language, that is in Hindi.
धन्यवाद श्रीमान सतीश भट्ट। और जहां तक सवाल है, इस वक्त एक बेहतरीन श्रृंखला का शुरुआत यहाँ पर हो चुका है और इस बार 5वें ओवर की पहली गेंद को खूबसूरती के साथ मोड़ दिया। इस वक्त डीप बैकवर्ड स्क्वायर लेग की दिशा में गेंद पहुंची, जब तक वहां पर गेंद फील्ड हो बल्लेबाज के पास मौका 2 रन न प्राप्त करने का। स्कोर बढ़कर पहुंच चुका है इन 2 रनों के साथ 25 रनों पर। मालसी जीएसबी उर्वा यहाँ पर बल्लेबाजी करता हुआ, क्योंकि मैच इसी श्रृंखला का पहला मैच, द इनॉग्रल मैच ऑफ द टूर्नामेंट, उड़ा रंग के फाइटर्स मुल्की और मालसी जीएसबी उर्वा के बीच में यहाँ पर खेला जाता हुआ। तो जहां तक सवाल है, इस वक्त 25 रनों पर स्कोर बोर्ड पहुंच चुका है 5 विकेट के नुकसान पर। और टॉस का जहां तक सवाल है, वोलालंके फाइटर स्मॉल की ने पहले टॉस जीता था और फील्डिंग करने का निर्णय लिया था। इस वक्त 26 रन बन चुके हैं। इट्स 26 फॉर द लॉस ऑफ 5 विकेट्स इन द ओवर नंबर 5 इन प्रोग्रेस। 7 ओवर प्रति पारी खेले जाएंगे। 7 ओवर्स पर साइड टू बी प्ले और गेंदबाज इस वक्त तैयार। अनंत ये गेंद ऑन साइड पर गेंद को पुल किया। इस वक्त बैकवर्ड स्क्वायर लेग पर फील्डर मौजूद और ये क्या छूट चुका है। He dropped that one. That was a juicy lollipop chance, but the effort is now gone in vain. तो आसान सा मौका यहां पर रहा। शॉर्ट ऑफ लेंथ गेंद को उछाला था डीप बैकवर्ड स्क्वायर लेग पर और जहां तक का सवाल है फील्डर का, फील्डर ने गेंद तक पहुंचे जरूर, गेंद के नीचे आए लेकिन आखिरी मौके पर गेंद को दबोचने में असफल। तो यहां पर बल्लेबाज को रन्स मिले 1 और स्कोर बोर्ड पढ़कर पहुंच चुका 27 रनों पर 5 विकेट के नुकसान पर। विनोद स्ट्राइक लेते हुए ये गेंद बैकफुट पर गई। गेंद को हल्के से ऑफसाइड पर गिरना चाहा, बल्ले के ऊपरी सिरे पर टकराने के बाद गेंद पहुंची शॉर्ट मिड विकेट पर जहां पर गेंद को फील्ड कर लिया गया और इस बीच 1 रन का इजाफा यहां पर हो चुका है। पुजोलाना जीपीएल उत्सव 2021 2021 यहां पर एक बेहतरीन शुरुआत कर चुका है। इस सुंदर से सह्याद्री के विशाल ग्रीनरी मैदान पर काफी सुंदर सा नजारा, काफी तेज हवा मैदान की दाईं से बाईं और इस वक्त गुजरते हुए जिस तरह से झंडे जो गाड़े गए हैं जीएसपी भगवा ध्वज के, वो झंडे इस वक्त लहराते हुए काफी शानदार तरीके से। और एक बार फिर से गेंदबाज की गेंद ऑन साइड पर गेंद को पुल किया, बैकवर्ड स्क्वायर लेग पर फील्डर मौजूद है। इस बार ही टेक्स द कैच, दिस टाइम ही मेड नो मिस्टेक। दीपक ऑन साइड पर फील्डर थे, गेंद को शॉर्ट ऑफ लेंथ गेंद को इस वक्त उछाला था लेकिन आखिरी मौके पर ऐसा कहना पड़ेगा प्लेसमेंट बिल्कुल गलत था और डीप बैकवर्ड स्क्वायर लेग सीमा रेखा के अंदर जब तक गेंद पहुंची, गेंद के नीचे फील्डर आते हुए गेंद को खूबसूरती के साथ यहां पर लपका और इसी के साथ अश्वत्थ की पारी समाप्त 28 रन 6 विकेट के नुकसान पर।
चेक गोपी जी 1 मिनिट। 2 व्हीलर पार्किंग आणि कार पार्किंग ऑलरेडी व्यवस्थित केलेलं असं रोडा मध्ये रबिलाल वेकल आलाय नंबर वाजून सांगता देखून इमिडिएटली काढका त्या एक बुलेट असं KA19 EQ6487 एक ओमनी असं KA20 N2447 तशी KA20 MD 1677 KA19H 0150 KA19 EX 4200
ಧನ್ಯವಾದ. ಅದೇ ರೀತಿ ಇನ್ನೂ ಕೆಲವು ವಾಹನಗಳನ್ನು ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಿಲ್ಲಿಸಿದ್ದಾರೆ. K19Z 8656 ನರಸಿಂಹ ಎನ್ನುವ ಹೆಸರಿನ ವಾಹನ, K19 MF 2832, K19 ML 3159, ಅದೇ ರೀತಿ ಭಾರತ್ ಡಿಲಕ್ಸ್ K19 MD MK 7726, K19 MH 6330 ಹಾಗೂ KA03 MM 9252 ಈ ಎಲ್ಲ ವಾಹನಗಳನ್ನು ದಯವಿಟ್ಟು ಅಲ್ಲಿ ರಸ್ತೆಯಲ್ಲಿಂದ ತೆರವುಗೊಳಿಸಬೇಕಾಗಿ ವಿನಂತಿ. ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಸಂಚಾರಕ್ಕೆ ಅಡಚಣೆ ಉಂಟಾಗ್ತದೆ, ದಯವಿಟ್ಟು ಗಮನಿಸಬೇಕು ಎಲ್ಲ ವಾಹನದ ಮಾಲಕರು.
इमिडिएटली काढका ते टो जाता असा बाकीचे वेकल एक वेकल कान वरता असाची देखून इमिडिएटली काढका.
So back to this game, 28 for the loss of 6 wickets. The struggling time is now continuing here for the batsmen of Malti GSB Urva, and Sharat is now continuing the proceedings. His second over and sixth over starts in their innings. First ball outside the off stump. This time lofted that one but can't finds the gap as well. और गेंद को जब तक वाइड लॉन्ग ऑन पर फील्ड किया जाता, बल्लेबाज के पास मौका 2 रन प्राप्त करने का. सारे जीएसपी भाइयों का मैं गोपी यहाँ पर एक बार फिर से स्वागत करता हूँ. और जहाँ तक सवाल है इस श्रृंखला का, तो एक बेहतरीन क्रिकेट श्रृंखला जीपीएल उत्सव पुजलोना जीपीएल उत्सव 2021 इस वक्त एक शानदार शुरुआत यहाँ पर कर चुकी है. निशाना लग चुका है और बल्लेबाज की पारी यहाँ पर समाप्त हो चुकी है. विनोद की पारी समाप्त। जोखिम भरा रन लेने का प्रयास, भुगतान उन्हें करना पड़ा। इससे पहले की गेंद गेंदबाज स्ट्राइकर एंड पर पहुंचा, सीधा थ्रो पहुंचा हुआ विकेट कीपर का विकेटों को बिखेर कर ले जाता हुआ, और इसी के साथ ये विकेट नंबर 7 गिर चुका। 30 फॉर द लॉस ऑफ 7 विकेट। मालसी GSB Urva looking in trouble now. In fact, they scored only 30 runs and they lost the 7 top indus wickets. And this is a really testing time going here for the batsmen of मालसी GSB Urva. तो कुल मिलाकर इस ओवर के बाद एक ओवर का खेल अभी भी बाकी। So this is an 5th edition of Barcelona GPL Utsav, and 12 teams are participating in this tournament. 12 top teams, in fact, are participating in this tournament. Down the leg side, leg stump से बाहर, वाइड का इशारा। इस बीच एक रन का इजाफा यहाँ पर हो चुका है अतिरिक्त एक्स्ट्रास के रूप में, और एक रन के इजाफे के साथ स्कोर बढ़कर पहुंच चुका है 31 रनों पर 7 विकेट के नुकसान पर। अगली गेंद लेकर तैयार। ये गेंद ऑन साइड पर गेंद को फ्लिक कर दिया, स्टंप्स को कवर करते हुए गेंद जाते हुए डीप मिड विकेट पर। फील्डर काफी पीछे मौजूद, गेंद अपनी रफ्तार को खोती हुई वहां पर जब तक रुके, गेंद डीप मिड विकेट पर जब तक फील्ड बल्लेबाज के पास मौका 2 रन प्राप्त करने का। सेंसिबल क्रिकेट यहां पर अपनाते हुए स्टंप्स को कवर करने के बाद हल्के से गेंद को पुश कर दिया, ऑन साइड पर उछाल दिया था कहना पड़ेगा। और जो घने घास मैदान पर मौजूद हैं, हरे भरे घने घास, और उन घने घासों की वजह से गेंद वहां पर अपने रफ्तार को खोने के बाद रुक गई थी मिड विकेट पर। और इस बीच बल्लेबाज के पास मौका था 2 रन प्राप्त करने का। 33 फॉर द लॉस ऑफ 7 विकेट्स। गेंदबाज यह गेंद ऑन साइड पर गेंद को उछालना चाहा, मिडल ऑफ द बैट कनेक्शन नहीं, फुल टॉस गेंद थी, और शॉर्ट फाइल लेग पर जब तक गेंद को फील्ड किया जाता 1 रन का इजाफा यहां पर हो चुका है। 34 फॉर द लॉस ऑफ 7 विकेट। व्हाट अ फैंटास्टिक टूर्नामेंट is beginning here just short while ago in the name of Barcelona GPL Utsav 2021 2021. Again, this time lofted that one and taken inside the fence. तो जहां तक सवाल है, इस बार गेंद को उछाला था लेकिन प्लेसमेंट बिल्कुल गलत है और लॉग पर इस कैच को लपक लिया गया। तो जहां तक इस श्रृंखला का सवाल है, केरला मुंबई तो महाराष्ट्र के मुंबई केरला से टीमें यहां पर हिस्सा ले रही है, और देश के सब कोने से GSB खिलाड़ी इस श्रृंखला में हिस्सा ले रहे हैं अलग अलग टीमों में। तो निस्संदेह ये श्रृंखला एक बेहतरीन प्रगति यहाँ पर करते हुए, और ये श्रृंखला एक बेहतरीन श्रृंखला होने की, यादगार श्रृंखला होने की छाप यहाँ पर छोड़कर जाने की पूरी तैयारी में। बार्सिलोना GPL उत्सव 2021 और ओवर नंबर 6 की समाप्ति 35 रन बन चुके हैं, और जहाँ तक विकेटों का सवाल है तो 7 विकेटें यहाँ पर गिर चुके हैं। 8 wickets down, in fact, and it's 35 for the loss of 8 wickets after completion of 6 overs. Now it's going to be last over remaining in the innings. अंतिम ओवर का खेल बाकी, और देखना यह है कि इस अंतिम ओवर में मालसी GSB के बल्लेबाज अपने बचे हुए 2 विकेटों की मदद से और कितने रन यहां पर बटोर पाते हैं वलालंग के फाइटर्स मुल्की के खिलाफ इस श्रृंखला के इनॉग्रल मैच, पहले मैच में। अगला मैच जस्ट टॉकिंग अबाउट द नेक्स्ट मैच, मैंगलोर इंडियंस will takes over Korea Super Kings in the next encounter, and that match is now coming up live exclusively right after this match. And because of that, I request to the both teams players to please get ready for the next match. अगले मैच के लिए मैंगलोर इंडियंस और कोरिया सुपर किंग्स के सर्व सदस्यों से मेरा निवेदन है कि कृपया अगले मैच के लिए तैयार रहें। So back to this game, last over begin. आदेश इस वक्त गेंदबाजी शुरू करते हुए, फील्डिंग में जमावट यहां पर चलती हुई, और जहां तक सवाल है फील्डिंग के नजरिए का, तो लॉन्ग ऑफ लॉन्ग ऑन इस वक्त मौजूद, डीप मिड विकेट, कोई डीप बैकवर्ड स्क्वायर लेग नहीं, और डीप कवर पॉइंट ठीक सीमा रेखा के पास एक फील्डर तैनात। तो कुल मिलाकर 5 फील्डर 20 गज के दायरे के अंदर इस वक्त तैनात। बिल्कुल सुंदर सा नजारा, सह्याद्री कॉलेज का ये मैदान, हरा भरा मैदान, इस बात बेहतर, एब्सोल्युटली गुड वन, मच स्ट्रेटर लाइन, फ्रंट फुट पर जाने के बाद गेंद को ड्राइव करना चाहा, चूके रन से बल्लेबाज को नहीं मिलेगा। नदी तट पर यह मैदान स्थित, निस्संदेह एक बेहतरीन सुंदर सा नज़ारा हम यहाँ पर देख रहे हैं। काफ़ी जोरदार हवा इस मैदान पर चलते हुए, और इस बार बैकफुट पर गए, गेंद को कट करना चाहा, बेहतरीन गेंद लेकिन ऑफ स्टंप से काफ़ी बाहर, और वाइड का इशारा अंपायर का, और वाइड के इस रन के साथ स्कोर बढ़कर पहुंच चुका है 36 रनों पर। 36 फॉर द लॉस ऑफ 8 विकेट्स इन द ओवर नंबर 7 एंड लास्ट इन प्रोग्रेस इन मालसी जीएसबी उर्वास इनिंग्स। और एक बार फिर से अपने रन अप में बाधा, आदेश अपने गेंदबाजी के मार्ग पर जाते हुए दर्शकों की ताजाद इस बढ़ते हुए वक्त के साथ साथ यहाँ पर बढ़ते हुए दोपहर का वक्त 2:05 यहाँ पर बच चुके हैं। और अगली गेंद रिवर्स शॉट, गेंद को खेलना चाहा, मिडल ऑफ द बैट कनेक्शन नहीं, और एक रन का इजाफा यहाँ पर हो चुका। पैरों से गेंद लगकर निकली थी शॉर्ट थर्ड मैन पर, और जैसा कि मैं फरमा रहा था दोपहर का वक्त 2:05 यहाँ पर बच चुके हैं। सूरज ठीक आसमान की बुलंदियों को यहाँ पर छू चुका है, अपने प्रखर किरणों को मैदान पर फैलाता हुआ, और कुल मिलाकर ऐसा कहना पड़ेगा क्रिकेट के लिए एक पर्याप्त वातावरण इस मैदान पर छा चुका है। अगली गेंद, oh that is a good one, pretty slow one comparing to the previous one, और गेंद को इस वक्त उछालना चाहा, और गेंद और बल्ले का कोई संपर्क नहीं है, ऐसा कहना पड़ेगा just wanted to play that one too early and the ball came quite lately because of that slowness, and it went into the hands of wicket keeper after beating the batsman. गेंदबाज एक बार फिर से तैयार, ये गेंद इस बार, that was an absolutely fantastic piece of bowling performance. So 4 dot balls in a row, and this is turning out to be a fine over in Olalanke Fighters Mulki's point of view. So next one, outside the off stump, और इस बार गेंद को पुल करना चाहा, चूके और रन इस बीच बल्लेबाज को नहीं मिलेगा। तो पारी की अंतिम गेंद, the last ball of their innings is now coming up. 37 for the loss of 8 wickets, and Adesh comes right arm over the wicket, bowls, full toss and bowled him. So the innings is up for Malsi GSB Urva. They finished with 37 for the loss of 9 wickets after losing the toss and put it to bat by Wolalanke Fighters Mulki in the inaugural match of Puzzalona GPL Utsav 2021. And now the target for Wolalanke Fighters Mulki is 38. And as far as the required run rate is concerned, exactly 4.75 runs per over they have to score for victory. The required run rate at this situation with the help of 10 wickets, the equation, the present equation shows for them for Wolalanke Fighters Mulki. 38 they have to score in their stipulated 7 overs, in fact, with an average of exactly 5.44 runs per over. 5.44 runs per over. The required run rate for them. 38 they have to score in their stipulated 10 overs with the help of 10 wickets they have to score. And their inning starts now with the ingested pile. Till then, we are taking a short break, और एक छोटा सा ब्रेक हम लेते हैं, और छोटे से ब्रेक के बाद हम आपके सामने उपस्थित होंगे मेरे काबिल दोस्त अंग्रेजी में सतीश के साथ, जब वोलांके फाइटर्स की मुल्की की पारी की शुरुआत यहाँ पर होगी। And now it's time for break. Thank you. धन्यवाद।
Hello, mic check. Hello, 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 mic check 1 2 3. Hello, mic check 1 2 3. Hello, hello, hello.
check. ಕೆನರಾ ಅಸೋಸಿಯೇಷನ್ ಆಚೆ ಗುರುದತ್ ಭಾಗವತ್ ಹನೆ ಇಲ್ಲ ಸಚಿ ಹಂಕ ಹಾರ್ದಿಕ ಸ್ವಾಗತ.
So thank you very much, Gopi. Welcome back. Good afternoon, cricket lovers. Once again, it's going to be a fantastic atmosphere out here in this most beautiful cricket ground for this 5th season of Fuzzalona GPL Utsav. So all set now for the chasing. After winning the toss, elected to field first. Wolalanki fighters, of course, they bowl well, fields well, and restricting the opposition for just 37, and they set a target of 38 to win the match. And wait and see how well Wolalanki fighters will going to fight back in this first match of this wonderful cricket tournament in the name of GPL Utsav. GSP Malsi batsman, of course,
atau berasa selimut batsman aku bola rapi rata sama tapi malah khambita uni mana amni samujana itu malah like team deni terus dengan peloka ami angala bowling cases tandu pada khambita tavalcha bowling team kon kelki tamu 38 bitar mana 37 bitar district kella muntange kushes belagi cricket andu kasale samujana pelaya ami chase kash karta ji tasi bowling team tanka 37 bitar abota jattiki ami wait kon pelaya. Thank you very much. Again, back to this game. Completely target here for Wolalanki fighters. So with this match, so the opening batsman saw in the way to the bit of the pitch.
and of course from Abharana Jewelers end, wait and see, we're going to start the proceedings. And the batsmen are in the middle. Rajat is going to be a striker, one of the very good striker of the ball. Rajat is a well-known and popular name in GSB community as far as the striker is concerned. He's one of the most destructive batsmen, and wait and see how well he managed to take the advantage of the fielding restriction of the first 2 over of the power play. Of course, as per the playing condition of this GPL Utsav, the 2 fielders can stand away from the 30-yard circle in the first 2 overs. Afterwards, it's going to be a 5 overs, 5 fielders to allow standing outside the circle. So it's so important here for the opening batsman. Take the advantage of the fielding restriction. Straight away coming back to the field set here. Short fine leg. There is a square leg. And straight away signal coming from umpire Atmaram towards our scorer. Viraj is doing a fantastic job left of commentator. And it's going to be a start of the first over. Chasing going to be a 38 is the target. Here is the first ball. Beautifully ball. Almost ball is moving from the good land spot. Batsman almost in a defensive frame of mind. Almost dabbing the ball down to square leg if he tried to pick that one. But quite fortunately, looks like ball is going to hit the stump. But the presence of mind there from Rajat, the last moment is a little bit footwork to stop the ball to not hit the stumps. So good start here from the bowler Aditya from the Fazalon end. A little bit correction from Abaran and right arm over the wicket. Balls down the leg stump, going to be a big wide. Of course, you need to restrict the extras because they're not depending a big total. They're only depending a total score of 37, 38 to win the match for the opposition. You need to restrict this kind of extras. And because of that extra, the first run comes up here for Wolalanki fighters. Aditya. Right, over there, beautifully bowled and equally well played the batsman. A little bit soft and comes into play. Batsman off the front foot, try to flick that one off his legs, but it was a slower one in that occasion there from Aditya. But at the last moment, batsman really negotiated very well to just softening his hand so that he picked up a single.
तशी नेक्स्ट मॅच मंगळूर इंडियन्स आणि कोडियाल सुपर किंग्स हांगेमध्ये चलचार आसा ह्या मॅच जल्ली कूडले इमिडिएटली स्टार्ट जाता 2 टिमा कॅप्टन आणि जल्तीतले वगी स्टेजाला येऊ का मंगळूर इंडियन्स आणि कोडियाल सुपर किंग्स 2 टिमा कॅप्टन आणि जल्तीतले वगी येऊ नो प्लेयर रजिस्ट्रेशन कोर का निघून घेतारस.
Exactly, the second match, Mangalore Indians versus Kodial Super Kings. Please get ready for the next match. And here in the middle, Prajwal, the left-hand batsman, facing his first delivery, full toss delivery, but batsman couldn't manage to take advantage of that full toss delivery. Maybe the batsman is not really expecting that kind of full toss from the bowler Aditya. Of course, that's why the batsman not quite able to take advantage of that one. Played that one back to bowler, and on his follow-through, bowler fields the ball, and there is no possibility of any run. One more full toss delivery. The batsman once again slashing that one. Didn't got that much of timing behind that slash. That's why that ball really traveling towards the backward point region. Before that, the short third man fielder going to field that one. Batsman got ample time to complete the single. With that single, scoreboard moves on to 3 on the board without loss of any wicket. 4.77 runs per over required run rate. But of course, seeing the first over, looks like batsman a little bit in a defensive frame of mind. Again, lovely using the depthness of the crease off the back foot. Again, Rajat in the negation, seeing the line and length of the ball. Of course, ball is moving from the good length spot. Of course, ball is just coming back into the batsman, and batsman Rajat once again off the back foot quite nicely turns that one onto the square leg region for a single. With that single, scoreboard moves on to 4 on the board. No need to panic at all because they're not chasing a big total. Just a sensible batting is required. This time leaning into the drive, beautifully played that one down to coverage. And again, of course, the outfield is not that much of quick enough because of, we can see that was a greenery, one of the most beautiful cricket ground here in South Kendra. Of course, the Sahyadri College ground here in Adyar. The nature, of course, we can see that the behind this cricket ground is going to be a holy river passing the Netravati, one of the holy river of South Kendra district. It's the most beautiful view of this cricket ground. And that's why it's going to be a big honor for each and every players come and perform in this most prestigious cricket tournament in the name of GPL Utsav 2021 Season 5. The first over, it's going to be a very decent over ball there by Aditya. Just 5 runs came from that over. And batsman, of course, negotiated very well that first over. They got 1 as per the run rate required. They got the run. So from the Fuzulana end, the river end, it's going to be Anantesh, the man who got highest run in batting department, scored 13 valuable runs. Is one of the fantastic all-rounder, Anantesh. Wait and see how well he will going to contribute from the ball. The captain of the side as well, so a lot of responsibility. Wait and see. This is the last over of the power play. Straight away, there was a deep backward point and deep extra cover. The two fielders are in the deep. And inside the ring, there was a short mid-off. Little bit short extra cover, but mid-off is going towards the mid-on region. There was a short mid-wicket, there was a square leg, short mid-wicket, a square leg, and a short fine leg. Here is the first ball. Anantesh ball, beautifully played on late cut, comes into play. Really well played there by the batsman, left-hand batsman Prajwal. Just waiting for the ball coming into his bat and just opening the pace of the bat and quite nicely guiding that down to short third man region for an easy single. With that single, scoreboard moves on to 6 on the board. Sensible batting from opening batsman. Of course, it's always going to be handy whenever that was a left and right combination. It's going to be a very difficult for the captain of the opposition to need to change the field set every time strikes are rotated. This time, lofted over. Will it going to be a chance here? The fielder is underneath it and it taken. This is what we are talking about. The shot selection is going to be very key. Of course, you are playing the power play, the opportunity to throw your bat, but you need to see the fielder. He is finding one of the fielder out of 2. And unfortunately, the first wicket of Wolalanki fighters are back into pavilion.
सेकंड कॉल तुमका मँगलोर रेडियल्स ऑलरेडी येऊन प्ले रजिस्ट्रेशन करता आसाची जल तितले वग येऊ का या मॅच जाल्यार इमिडिएट नेक्स्ट मॅच स्टार्ट जाता.
Thank you very much. Just like we mentioned about Anantesh, one of the fantastic all-round, and being the keeper of the side, you know exactly the responsibility. You knows that if you wanted to win this match, you need to pick the wickets in regular intervals. That's what Anantesh almost tossed up delivery, inviting the batsman to go for the big shot. And Rajat and Anantesh knows that Rajat is a very good striker of the ball, and but the placement is not good in the irrigation there from Rajat. Little bit wrong shot selection, especially when you're playing in the afternoon. You need to see the direction of the wind. Of course, he played a little bit against the direction of the wind, and so that even that was powerfully driven, but not enough to get the distance right. The Vinod, the fieldsman there in the deep long on, takes the catch, very comfortable catch. The new batsman in is Sharath, but he is in non-strikers, and Prajwal going to make a strike here. And beautifully bowled by Anantesh, and equally well played by the batsman, left-hand batsman Sharath, of course, just leaning into the drive, timing the ball quite nicely down to mid-off region. With that single, scoreboard moves on to 7 for the loss of 1 wicket in the over number 2 in progress. That brings Sharath into cycle deprecation. Prajwal who takes a single, though he batting on 4 as Anantesh right above the wicket. Again, the full toss delivery batsman not quite able to play that one where he wanted to be. Because of that, slow full toss batsman just missed timing the ball. The ball is running down to short mid-wicket, and there is no possibility of any runs. So far, it was a good bowling performance there from Anantesh, tiding the batsman. At the same time, he picked up a 1 wicket as well, Anantesh. Oh, beautifully bowled. Tried to york the batsman in the occasion, but length is little bit outside the run of off, and batsman could, of course, little bit surprised with that yorker length delivery there from Anantesh, and ball just missing the stump, and batsman survives. The last time in this over, so far it was a very quiet over indeed. Just 2 runs and a wicket. Oh, what a delivery that one. That was a fantastic short pitch delivery to finish the over number 2. Anantesh once again testing the batsman's temperament in his line, variation in his line and then the good over there from the captain of the side. And after completion of 2 overs chasing 38 to win this match, searching for the right track. And I think still struggling. And the chasing team, of course, the Valalanki Fighters, they lost 1 wicket for that 7 run. Just coming back to the equation, 7 overs match. That means 2 overs completed, 5 overs remaining, 30 possible deliveries remaining, or excluding wides and no balls. Out of that 30 deliveries, they have to get another 31 runs to win this match. The match is evenly poised. Now the first time the asking run rate is just going over 6 runs per hour. Once it was the run rate over 6 runs per over, it's going to be a little bit psychological pressure situation here for the batsmen of Valalanki Fighters. But one partnership will change the things quickly in favor of chasing team. Needed 1 big over, but I think the 2 over of the power play is going in favor of GSP Malsi Urwa. Wonderful opportunity for the players of GSP community to come and perform, because one of the most prestigious cricket tournament, each and every player has got a golden opportunity to show their talent in this most beautiful cricket ground, Sahyadri College Ground here in Adyar. 2-3 days is going to be a festival of cricket and a lot of entertainment, a lot of excitement we are expecting from these 3 days. Meanwhile, from the Abharana Jewelers end, it's going to be Ashwath is the new bowler has been introduced. First bowling change from this end. Of course, after that fielding restriction, we can see that so many bodies out there in the deep. Straight away, 1 fielder in the deep, wideish long on, 1 at deep, mid-wicket, 1 at deep, backward square leg. And that was a fielder in the offside region, outside the circle. In the inside circle, 1 mid-wicket is there. And coming back to the offside region, there is no long off, but there is a deep extra cover. There is a mid-off. There is a cover and 1 fielder stationed at short third man region. Left arm over the wicket balls, beautifully bowled, almost short pitch delivery, but it was not that much of easy short pitch delivery, almost in the body level of left-hand batsman Prajwal. Prajwal off the back, but pushing the ball along the carpet, back to bowler, and there's no chance of any run. That kind of dotted delivery is badly required here for GSP Malsi if they wanted to restrict the opposition not to get that 38 runs again. Ashwath. Balls, batsman going for the big shot. Will it go into a chance here? Yes, he's taken. Very good catch taken down in the deep long on. The jersey number 23 looks to be a simple catch, but because of his judgment is so good, he takes a very good catch low down to him. The second wicket is back into pavilion of Valalanki Fighters. Thank you, DJ, for beautiful music, and of course, not that much of good news here for the fans of GSP Malsi, because they lost 1 more wicket. The left-hand batsman Prajwal tried to break the shackle in the relegation, but he was once again the short selection we are talking about. He just choosing the fielder, and he back into pavilion. It's going to be some twist in this match. That wicket. The new batsman Anantis came into middle. Left arm over the wicket. This time short pitch delivery down the legsman, going for the big hit. But this time, of course, umpire not missing the opportunity to signal here. Atmaram seeing that line is almost down the leg stump, going further away. And with that extra scoreboard moving after a long time from 7 to 8 now. 8 for the loss of 2 wicket. 38 going to be target as Ashwath Pai. Left arm over the wicket bounce. Again, sensible batting there from the batsman of opening the pace of the bat. Steering it down to deep third man region for an easy single. With that single scoreboard moving to 9 now. Very hard to combine the runs against a strong bowling lineup of Malsi GSB Urva. Ashwath looks like he's one of the most talented left-arm bowler for the side of Malsi GSB Urva. Picked up one big wicket in his over. But partnership is badly required for Valalanke Mulki fighters if they wanted to back into this game. Round the wicket balls, down the leg stamp. This is the one area that need to little bit pull their socks. This is not a good bowling, I will tell you, because batsman when he is under pressure, if you bowl that wide delivery, it will going to be a little bit pressure released from the batsman's mind. So that you need to be bowled very good line and length if you want to put the pressure onto the new batsman's. Scoreboard is 10 on the board. Anand Pai balls, beautifully played, lofted one but quite safely down to wideish long one. The batsman had to settle for the single before the fielder charging in from the deep mid-wicket region. The batsman got ample time to complete the single. With that single, scoreboard moves on to 11 for the loss of 2 wickets. Anand Chennai and Sharath Prabhu are the two batsmen are in the middle. Sharath Prabhu facing his next delivery. Ashwath bowling left arm. Went for the big shot. Will it go into a big shot? Yes, it is. This is the huge one, I will tell you. What a great shot coming from the blade of Sharath Prabhu. Short pitch delivery and the batsman off the back, rock back very quickly. Took his a wonderful position to pull the ball. And ball is traveling quite easily down to deep backward square leg for a maximum. Fuzzle on a sixer. Lovely full shot there from Sharath Prabhu.
वापस मी सांगता सची रोडार आशिल्ले टू व्हीलर आणि कार जलतीतले होगी काढका जल्ले टो व्हेकल आयला.
Score jumped into 17. That sixer definitely will going to release the pressure.
पार्किंग वच्चे वट्टे रशिलांगा.
Beautifully played that one down to deep, mid-off region. And with that single, scoreboard moves on to 18 on the board. How effective in the present days playing the reverse strokes is becoming a very popular strokes. Just like a left-hand batsman pulling that one, the Sharath Prabhu takes his position and the wonderful position to pull the ball by playing the reverse stroke. The great shot indeed. The third state of a pressure is off and we look at the scoreboard here. Already 18 runs on the board. Now they're going exactly 6 runs per over. 18 for the loss of 2 wickets. Now 20 runs required and 24 deliveries remaining. That means equation really favoring Valalanke fighters. Mulki needed some breakthrough, needed some decent and economical over if they wanted to back into this game. Otherwise, looks like the Malsi GSB Malsi Urva, they are a little bit trouble in this match. Looks like Anantesh, captain himself, he came to ball here. You know exactly one more opportunity for him to give some breakthrough here. Of course, in the previous over, he bowled very well, decent over, the economical and wicket-taking over. But it's not quite enough because the very next over is very expensive, which is bowled there by Ashwath. 11 runs coming from that over. That's very expensive indeed. This time, ball high up in there. Short fine leg fielder is underneath it. And he takes a catch. Look at Anantesh's celebration. Extending his two hands. The lovely way of celebrating your wicket. Why not? Every time he's in action, he's got a habit of picking up the wickets. There's the end of Sharath Prabhu's innings, looking for the expansive drive, but nowhere near the pitch of the delivery. Of course, we played that one not in the line and against the line of the delivery. You're going for the big shot, taken a leading edge. Ball is high up in the for a long time, and jersey number 8, Venu, takes a very good judgment catch, and Sharath Prabhu, the danger man, departs. The new batsman Vivek came into middle. Oh, tick outside edge up. That was a healthy nick. We can hear the sound of bat having a contact with the bat here in commentary box as well. Easy decision there for umpire Rajaratna sir as raising his finger. The wicket number 3 is back into pavilion. And Anantesh once again giving a very important breakthrough. That means he's on hat-trick. He's on hat-trick. I'm not really understand the mindset of the batsmen of Valalanki because the run rate required is not that much of big here, but the batsmen are looking for the big shot and just throwing the wicket, I will tell you. And they are a little bit themselves, putting themselves into the little bit difficult condition here. But still, I think 4 wickets, they lost, they can bounce back. 20 runs still required for the victory. But look at Anantesh, being the captain of the side. He's an inspiration for his teammates. And that's why the captain always going to play a big role, is a key role. And Anantesh once again contributed from the bat. Now he's bowling really very well. They are lovely piece of bowling, equal well played there by the batsman. A chance of run out, looking for the direct hit. Ball missed the stamp, but batsman completed a single there by Navin. So one more addition to total. First runs came from this over of Anantesh because that was a hat-trick delivery, but negotiated very well there by Navin. Not really allowing the batsman to settle for the hat-trick, but he picked up a single. Scoreboard moves on to 19 on the board. Another 19 run required. That means half of the job is completed, but half of the job still remaining, and they have to play sensible if they want to win this match. Oh, lovely delivery, beautifully bowled. Batsman, of course, looking for the cut shot, but without moving his feet, where he was standing, little bit away from his body, tried to cut that one quite dangerously. Lucky that ball didn't got any outside edge of the bat. Otherwise, it's going to be one more wicket here for Anantesh. And so far, what a fantastic bowling performance. Again, this is one a little bit experiment there from Anantesh. Maybe he's looking for some wickets so that he wanted to invite the batsman to go for the big shot by pitching the ball outside the line of off stamp. But line is going a little bit away again. And rightly so, umpire Rajaratna sir signals a wide. One more addition, 20 for the loss of 4 wicket. Anantesh bowls, beautifully bowled. Again, slower short pitch delivery. Beautiful delivery again there from Anantesh. So far, it was a quiet over and wicket taking over. And those who are failed to come here and watch lively, they got opportunity to watch through their mobile. Of course, youth of GFC worldwide having a fantastic live telecast of this cricket tournament. Full toss delivery. This time, batsman finds a gap towards the back point region. Easy single. With that single, one more fantastic over is completed there by Anantesh. I think he's completed his captain's job. Batted well, bowled well, picked up 3 valuable wickets. I just want to see his bowling figure. 2 overs, no maiden. He's conceded 3 runs. And he conceded 5 runs and he picked up 3 wickets, valuable 3 wickets. And wait and see what could be the game plan here for the batsmen and what could be the game plan here for the bowlers to restrict the opposition not to get a remaining 17 runs in 18 deliveries. So before the next over will go into commence, it's time to ask Gopi to take over the microphone in our national language, Hindi. And Gopi, what a wonderful performance. Looks like when it was a 38 is target, looks like it's going to be a one-sided match looking at the first over. But after that, Captain Anantesh came into ball, picked up 3 valuable wickets, and all that we can see that another 1 over in favor of Malsi Urva might be the match is going to be more interesting, isn't it?
बिल्कुल सतीश, जैसा कि पहले ओवर में 5 रन बने थे, दूसरे ओवर में 7, 2 ओवर में 7 रन बने थे और उसके बाद तीसरे ओवर में 11 रन बनने के बाद अब थोड़ा कुछ हद तक तख्ता पलटा वलालंक के फाइटर्स मुल्की का, 3 ओवर में 18 रन बनते, उसके बाद में चौथे ओवर में सिर्फ 3 रन यहाँ पर प्रदान करते हुए मैच को एक बार फिर से वापस बराबरी पर लाकर रुकाने में सफल मालसी जीएसबी उर्वा के गेंदबाज। अब चाहिए 17 रन 18 गेंदों पर, और मैं समझता हूँ सतीश यहाँ पर जहाँ तक मैच के विजय का सवाल है, इट्स गोइंग टू बी 50-50 एट दिस सिचुएशन। और 5वें ओवर की पहली गेंद लेकर उज्जवल इस वक्त गेंदबाजी शुरू करते हुए, स्ट्राइक लेने के लिए तैयार विवेक। ओवर की पहली गेंद ऑफ स्टंप से काफी बाहर और गेंद वाइड का इशारा इस बीच अंपायर का। एंड नाउ इट्स गोइंग टू बी 17 of 17 deliveries, still they have to score for victory. In fact 16 of 18 deliveries we have to score for victory. और गेंदबाज एक बार फिर से तैयार, ये गेंद इस बार बैकफुट पर गए, कट करना चाहा अपील, लेकिन आखिरी मौके पर अंपायर पर कोई प्रभाव नहीं, डजंट गॉट एनी निक ऑन दैट एट द लास्ट मोमेंट। और इस बीच बल्लेबाज बाल बचते हुए बैकफुट पर गए थे, गेंद को कट करना चाहा था लेकिन गेंद और बल्ले का कोई संपर्क नहीं। हालांकि कुछ आवाज जरूर आई लेकिन बल्ले से गेंद का कोई संपर्क नहीं और इस वजह से बल्लेबाज इस गेंद पर बाल बचते हुए। अगली गेंद, ये गेंद ऑन साइड पर खूबसूरती के साथ गेंद को निकाला, बैकवर्ड स्क्वायर की दिशा में गेंद जाती हुई, गेंद अपने रफ्तार को खोने के बाद जब तक फील्ड हो डीप स्कोर लेगा, डीप मिड विकेट के दरमियान बल्लेबाज के पास मौका था 1 रन प्राप्त करने का। तो 1 रन के साथ स्कोर बढ़कर पहुंच चुका है इस वक्त 23 रनों पर 4 विकेट के नुकसान पर। इट्स 23 फॉर द लॉस ऑफ 4 विकेट इन द ओवर नंबर 5 इन प्रोग्रेस। एंड दिस इज गोइंग टू बी द मैच इज टुवर्ड्स टू अ नेल बाइटिंग फिनिश नाउ। और गेंदबाज उज्जवल गेंदबाजी आगे बढ़ाते हुए दाहिना तो ऊपर द विकेट, फुल टॉस, खूबसूरती के साथ गेंद को निकाला, बैकवर्ड थर्ड मैन की दिशा में गेंद पहुंची, 1 रन का इजाफा यहां पर हो चुका है, दूसरा रन लेना चाहते नहीं मिलेगा। In comes a throw into the hands of wicketkeeper from the deep backward third man fielder and the batsmen are finally settled with a single। और 1 रन के साथ स्कोर बढ़कर पहुंच चुका है 24 रनों पर 4 विकेट के नुकसान पर। कुल मिलाकर इस ओवर में 3 गेंदें अब तक फेंके जा चुके हैं, 15 गेंदें और बाकी उनकी पारी में, और रन से चाहिए इस वक्त 14 to get in remaining 15 deliveries. Still the match is in balance. गेंदबाज इस वक्त उज्जवल जबकि स्ट्राइक लेने के लिए तैयार विवेक का, और अगली गेंद लेकर उज्जवल, पटकी हुई गेंद ऑफ स्टंप से बाहर की ओर निकलती हुई, कट करना चाहा लेकिन ऑफ स्टंप से काफी बाहर की ओर, दिशाहीन गेंद, वाइड का इशारा इस बीच 1 रन का इजाफा यहां पर हो चुका है और 1 रन के इजाफे के साथ स्कोर बढ़कर पहुंच चुका है 25 रनों पर 4 विकेट के नुकसान पर। 25 फॉर द लॉस ऑफ 4 विकेट्स। बराबर का संघर्ष यहां पर जारी, और उज्जवल ये गेंद फुल टॉस ऑफ द टोज, गेंद को फ्लिक कर दिया इस वक्त, गेंद जाती हुई लॉन्ग ऑन की दिशा में, और इससे पहले कि गेंद को वहां पर फीड किया जाता बल्लेबाज के पास मौका 1 रन प्राप्त करने का। 26 रन बन चुके हैं 4 विकेट के नुकसान पर। हर गेंद पर रन बनाना जरूरी बन चुका है इस वक्त बुलालंग के फाइटर्स मुल्की के बल्लेबाजों को, जबकि हर गेंद पर रन रोकना जरूरी इस वक्त बन चुका है मालसी जीएसबी उर्वा के गेंदबाजों को। कुल मिलाकर ऐसा कहना पड़ेगा गेंद और बल्ले के बीच में कड़ा संघर्ष जारी है। गेंद रिवर्स शॉट गेंद को खेलना चाहा, गेंद और बल्ले का कोई संपर्क नहीं, बेहतर गेंदबाजी उज्जवल की, गेंद सीधे पहुंचे विकेट कीपर के हाथों में और इस बीच रन से बल्लेबाज को नहीं मिला। 26 फॉर द लॉस ऑफ 4 विकेट। द स्कोर बोर्ड स्टेज एट दोपहर का वक्त 2:40 बजते हुए, धूप का कहर अभी भी मैदान पर कायम, सूरज आसमान की बुलंदियों को छूने के बाद अपने प्रखर किरणों को मैदान पर फैलाता हुआ ऑफ स्टंप से काफी बाहर, एक बार फिर से वाइड, और तोहफे के रूप में, उपहार के रूप में इस वक्त गेंदबाज रन इस वक्त प्रदान करते हुए, और इस मैच के इस मोड़ पर ऐसे रन प्रदान करना निश्चित रूप से सामने वाले टीम का मनोबल यहाँ पर बढ़ाता है, सामने वाले टीम के बल्लेबाजों का मनोबल यहाँ पर बढ़ाता है। और इस बीच ये गेंद ऑफ द टोज, गेंद को खेल दिया इस वक्त लिमिट ऑन पर, रन से बल्लेबाज को यहाँ पर नहीं मिला। तो इसी के साथ ओवर नंबर 5 की समाप्ति हो चुकी है, 12 गेंदें बाकी और 11 रन इस वक्त चाहिए। और सतीश इस वक्त स्टिल द इक्वल बैटल इज नाउ ऑन, 11 टू गेट फ्रॉम 12 डिलीवरीज, और मैं समझता हूँ 5 ओवर में हमें यहाँ पर बराबर का टक्कर देखने को मिला है, लेकिन मैच 2 ओवर का खेल अभी भी बाकी है, 11 रन चाहिए, और मैं समझता हूँ अभी भी मैच इट्स गोइंग टू बी 50-50 एट दिस सिचुएशन।
Exactly, Gopi. The match is evenly poised because looks to be that 12 balls and 11 runs looks to be going in favor of, a little bit in favor of chasing team because they know exactly what to do. No need to panic at all. Just rotation of strike is quite enough for them to chase the target. But cricket is unpredictable game, isn't it? Cricket is a game of glorious uncertainty. We can't say anything in cricket. One good over, of course, change the complexion of the match. Especially for GSB Malsi Urva, they wanted one good over. At the same time, just a sensible batting required here for Valalanke fighters if they wanted to win this match. But in this situation, Gopi, you are right, the match is evenly poised.
Exactly, Satish. There is no doubt about that. And back to this match, 11 of 12 deliveries. Here we go. गेंदबाज आदित्य इस वक्त गेंदबाजी शुरू करते हुए बिल्कुल सही बात आपने फरमाया सर जी. एक बेहतर ओवर गेंदबाजी के जरिए गेंदबाजी के टीम के पलड़े को भारी कर सकता है और एक बेहतर ओवर बल्लेबाजी अगर बल्लेबाज आक्रामक बल्लेबाजी दिखाते हैं इस ओवर में तो मैच बैटिंग साइड के फेवर में हो सकता है. देखते हैं क्या होता है. 11 to get from 12 deliveries and first ball ये गेंद पटकी हुई गेंद थी लेग स्टंप से बाहर और इस बीच वाइड का इशारा अंपायर का.
कोडियाल सुपर किंग्स आणि टॉस विन जावन कसं म्हण डिसिशन सांगनी या ओव्हर एंड जावच भितर सांगनी मंजलारी ऑर्गनायझर डिसिशन प्रकार कोण टॉस लूज झाला की तंक फेवर जाता या ओव्हर एंड जावच भितर सांगू का.
सो धन्यवाद. और इस बार गेंद को खेल दिया तहसीली मिड ऑन पर 1 रन का इजाफा यहां पर हो चुका. पुजलाना जेपीएल उत्सव 2021 की शानदार शुरुआत यहां पर हो चुकी है.
कोडियाल सुपर किंग्स आणि टॉस विन जावन फील्डिंग घेतलस
with a perfect first match between Malsi GSB Urva versus Valalanke Fighters Smolki is now going on here. और 9 रन इस वक्त चाहिए विजय के लिए जबकि गेंदे बाकी हैं 11. 9 to get from 11 deliveries. फील्डिंग में जमावट यहाँ पर चलती हुई. लॉन्ग ऑन मौजूद डीप मिड विकेट और कोई डीप बैकवर्ड स्कोर लेग इस वक्त मौजूद नहीं. डीप बैकवर्ड स्कोर लेग पर एक फील्डर मेरे ख्याल से आते हुए इस वक्त और 4 फील्डर इस वक्त 20 गज के दायरे के अंदर तैनात. कुल मिलाकर 5 फील्डर कहना पड़ेगा. मिड ऑफ शॉट एक्स्ट्रा कवर पॉइंट शॉट थर्ड मैन और ऑन साइड पर शॉट स्क्वायर लेग. ये गेंद ऑन साइड पर उछालना चाहा विकेट कीपर के हाथों में. ओ निशाना चूक चुका है इस वक्त. आसान सा मौका इस वक्त विकेट कीपर गवाते हुए और इस गेंद पर बल्लेबाज बाल बचते हुए. भाग्य बल्लेबाज का साथ देता हुआ और कोई क्षति नहीं आखिरकार. द स्कोर पोस्ट इज 29 फॉर द लॉस ऑफ 4 विकेट्स और just 9 to get now in remaining 10 balls. And now the bowler bowls again. This could be gone all the way. Then this time it's close over the fence. It's a biggie. So 3 to get now, and a perfect strike came from the bat of Naveen. This time he got that one in a style over deep mid wicket fence for 6 runs. और ये छक्का मैं समझता हूँ इस वक्त वलालंके फाइटर्स मुल्क को इस मैच पे वापस ला चुका है. गेंद को इस वक्त खेल दिया स्क्वायर लेग की दिशा में. गेंद जाती हुई डीप बैकवर्ड स्क्वायर लेग पर 2 रन मिलेंगे. And that couple runs brings the equality. The scores are leveled and just a single run. वलालंके फाइटर्स मुल्क have to score for victory. ऐसा कहना पड़ेगा अपने विजय के द्वार पर इस वक्त खड़ा हुआ वलालंके फाइटर्स मुल्की. सिर्फ 1 रन चाहिए और 8 गेंदें बाकी उनकी पारी में. आदित्य गेंदबाजी करते हुए सराउंडिंग फील्डिंग इस वक्त बल्लेबाज को घिरे हुए फील्डर्स. इस बार देन दैट इज द एंड ऑफ द मैच. फिनिश द मैच इन अ स्टाइल. Comprehensive victory for Valalanke Fighters Mulki by 6 wickets, defeating Malsi GSB Urva in the inaugural match. And with that victory, they bagged the complete points. The next match, Kodia Super Kings takes over Mangalore Indians, and that match. कोलियाल सुपर किंग्स आफ्टर वन द टॉस दे इलेक्टेड टू फील्ड फर्स्ट. और कोलियाल सुपर किंग्स ने टॉस जीतने के बाद फील्डिंग करने का निर्णय जो के लिए उन्होंने लिया है अगले मैच में मंगलोर इंडियंस के खिलाफ. और वो मैच यहां पर शुरू होगा चंद लम्हों बाद. तब तक एक छोटा सा ब्रेक हम लेते हैं और एक छोटे से ब्रेक के बाद राइट आफ्टर द शॉर्ट ब्रेक हम आपके सामने यहां पर उपस्थित